Economic progress of human being. Man is a social animal and economics is an important branch of social science. Therefore, economics studies man's economic behavior in the society. This economic behavior started right from the evolution of man. In prehistoric period, man wandered from one place to another to satisfy his wants. Human wants were limited and could be fulfilled from various natural resources freely available in nature during those days. Example, caves to stay, leaves for clothes, etc. As man started to progress, his wants multiplied. Necessity is the mother of invention, so man started to discover and invent various ways by which his wants could be satisfied from the available resources. He slowly started to exchange goods for goods, which were later known as barter system. Today, it is commonly known as trade. In short, economics is the study of how people choose to use resources like time, money, labor, land, equipment, etc. effectively. Economics examines how people use limited or scarce resources to satisfy their unlimited wants. Meaning and definition of economics. Economics developed as a separate study dealing with various economic aspects of human behavior in society. The term economics is derived from the Greek word economia, meaning household management. Household management and economics have many similarities. Definition. Economics has been defined by various economists as follows. Adam Smith. Adam Smith is considered as the father of economics. He published the book Wealth of Nations in 1776, and he describes economics as a science of wealth. His definition of economics is a wealth-oriented definition. Professor Alfred Marshall. Professor Alfred Marshall, who published his book Principles of Economics in 1890, explains economics as a science which studies human welfare, and hence his definition of economics is known as a welfare-oriented definition. Lionel Robbins. In 1932, Lionel Robbins' book An Essay on the Nature and Significance of Economic Science explained economics as a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. This is the modern definition of economics. His definition is characterized as scarcity-oriented definition of economics. Importance of study of economics. Today, economics is considered to be one of the most important branches of knowledge. Economics is applicable in a wide range of fields including agriculture, business, finance, administration, law, local and international government, and in our day-to-day working environment. Importance of the study of economics. 1. Intellectual value. 2. Practical purpose. 3. Government bodies. 1. Intellectual value. The study of economics makes us realize that the human beings are dependent on one another for their daily needs. 2. Practical purpose. The knowledge of economics helps the consumer to adjust his expenditure with his income so that he derives maximum satisfaction. It helps the producer to make optimum use of the resources so that he can earn profits. Sellers can also determine the prices with the knowledge of economics. Thus, we find that knowledge of economics helps an individual to become a better and more efficient consumer, producer, businessman, etc. 3. Government bodies. The study of economics is helpful for government to understand the various socio-economic problems such as unemployment, inflation, poverty, etc. Knowledge of economics helps government bodies to frame proper fiscal policies, tax policies, etc., which would help the government to earn revenue for the economy. For example, the graph below explains the growth rate of mobile market in India. Therefore, the study of economics is useful to every individual in the modern economy.